Wired video intercom for home outdoor door phone with screen 7-inch monitor. 1. System supports English language or Russian language. 2. Supports clock mode. 3. Supports 36 ringtones. 4. Works with electronic lock. 5. One monitor supports one outdoor doorbell. Monitor connect to doorbell by cable. 6. Supports talk to visitor. Unlock by monitor outdoor doorbell. 7. This intercom does not support video recording. No memory car home security assistant. When the visitor presses the outdoor doorbell, the monitor will ring. Then you can press the talk button to talk to the visitor and press the unlock button if you want the visitor to enter your house. Outdoor doorbell 1000 TVL supports 13.56 mHz card unlock power supply. Powered from indoor monitor material. ABS panel at card frequency 13.56 MHz night vision. LED night vision waterproof. IP63 camera lens angle, 90 degrees operation temp, 40 degrees plus 60 degrees unlock by RFID card unlock. How to activate 13.56 mHz card. 1. Click the set button to activate the add keys mode. 2. Put the cards on the cart area and you will hear a sound like beep, then put the cards on it one by one. 3. Click the button to close the add keys mode. How to connect doorbell outdoor cameras electric lock. 1. Different locks have different connected methods. 2. Electronic lock and power controller do not include in this item.